All right. There's a new tool in Illustrator called the Objects on a Path tool, and it's actually really cool. So let me give an example. I'm going to draw some basic shapes. Let's draw a rectangle. Let's draw a rounded rectangle. Let's draw an ellipse. Let's draw a polygon. Let's draw a star. And then let's change the color of each one of these. Just a little bit. Okay. So now I have these shapes. And what I want to do is I want to put them on a path. So all I have to do is draw the path and then assign the shapes to the path using that new tool. So I'll just make a circle. I'll use a circle as a path. And I'm going to draw a circle here. And I don't want to have a fill. I just want to have the stroke. Then I'm going to select these shapes. And then I click on my Objects on a Path button, and I click on the target path, and it places the shapes on the path. Very cool. It's a lot of work to do something like this without a tool like this. Now, there's some buttons here. One is I can choose how the shapes are spread along that path. And two is I can rotate the shapes. So that is very cool. Now, in this case, let's do it again. I'm going to step backwards. The path is visible, but I can select the path, make the path invisible. Now, when a path is invisible, to see the path, I'll need to go up to View and choose Outline. So I'm going to go back to Preview. I'm going to select the shapes. I'm going to go up to View, go to Outline, click on my Objects on a Path, click on the target path, and then I'll go back up to View and go to Preview. And now the shapes are on a path when the path is invisible. Okay, I'm going to undo that. So I can draw, let's select that invisible path and delete it. I can draw any kind of path I want. But there's an invisible path that escape. Okay, just select those shapes, go to View, Outline, grab my new Objects on the Path tool, click on the path, and now the shapes are on that invisible path. View, Preview. And of course, I can move them along that path and rotate them along that path. All right, so that's a very cool new tool. Very helpful, very useful, and lots of cool things that you can do with that. Stop here.